Hey there, car lovers. Engines don't just give up on you. They whisper warnings long before they fail. Ignore them, and you're looking at a hefty repair bill. But here's the kicker. Most people skip simple fixes that could make their engine purr like it's brand new. Have you ever wondered if you're missing easy ways to save your engine? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm breaking down 7 game-changing steps to bring your engine back to life. And trust me, the last one, it's a secret even some mechanics keep under wraps, and it could save you thousands. Let's get started. Your wallet will thank you. Oh, and before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It's a small click for you, but it's a huge help for us to keep bringing you tips like these. Ready? Let's roll. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. Like a pro, picture this. Your car's acting sluggish, maybe stalling or idling rough. It's like your engine's trying to tell you something. But where do you start? Grab an OBD2 scanner. It's like a doctor for your car. You don't need anything fancy, but get one that reads live data, resets service reminders, and ideally auto-detects your car's VIN number. Find the OBD2 port, usually under the steering column, plug in the scanner, turn on the ignition, and run a full scan. The codes it spits out are your roadmap. For example, a P0301 code means a misfire in cylinder 1. Could be spark plugs, ignition coils, or even a worn catalytic converter. But here's the thing. Sometimes, especially with high-mileage cars, you might get ghost codes or no codes at all. Don't panic. We've got more steps to cover. Quick tip. If the codes feel vague, jot them down and cross-check them online or with a mechanic. Knowledge is power, right? Step 2. Clean the throttle body. It's easier than you think. All right, let's talk about a maintenance task too many drivers skip. Cleaning the throttle body. A survey from Motor.com found that 64% of drivers put off routine car maintenance. Crazy, right? Your throttle body needs love every 30,000 miles. Or check your car's manual. If you wait too long, carbon buildup makes the butterfly valve sticky, choking airflow. That leads to rough idling, sluggish performance, or even stalling. Here's how to clean it. No mechanic required. Locate the throttle body. It's between the air cleaner and intake manifold. Can't find it? Have someone press the gas pedal, engine off, and look for the part that moves. Disconnect the battery and remove the intake hose with a screwdriver. Label the hose ends to avoid confusion later. Spray throttle body cleaner. Open the butterfly valve. Use a screwdriver or have someone step on the gas for drive-by-wire systems. Spray generously, but keep the cleaner off sensors. Scrub the carbon. Use a toothbrush or cloth. If it's stubborn, let the cleaner sit for 10 seconds and repeat. Let it dry. Give it a few minutes before reattaching everything. Boom! You just saved yourself $150 in shop fees. But hold on, we're not done yet. Step 3, swap out that air filter. While you've got the intake hose off, check the air filter inside the air cleaner box. Fun fact, air filters need replacing every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, same as your throttle body. A dirty filter starves your engine of air, tanking fuel efficiency and power. Ever hear weird engine noises or feel a sudden power loss? Could be the filter. Here's the easy fix. Pop open the air cleaner box, just undo the latches. Pull out the filter. If it's caked with dirt, toss it. Slot in a new one, close the box, and reattach the hose. This takes 5 minutes and makes your engine breathe again. Feels good, doesn't it? Step 4. Revive the mass airflow, MF, sensor. Next up, the MAF sensor, the unsung hero that tells your engine how much air it's getting. When it's dirty, your car might idle rough, lose power, or guzzle gas. Cleaning it is a breeze. Find the MAF sensor. It's between the air filter box and throttle body, or inside the air cleaner. Unplug and unscrew it. Be gentle with the connector. Spray MAF sensor cleaner. Aim for the hot wire or plate inside. Use 10 to 15 squirts until it shines. Don't touch it. Those wires are delicate. Let it air dry. About 15 minutes, no shortcuts. Clean your throttle body, air filter, and MAF sensor once a year, and your engine will thank you with smoother performance. But what if your car's still acting up? Let's keep going. Step 5. Change the engine oil. Don't skip this. Oil is your engine's lifeblood, and as your car ages, it needs fresh oil more often. Newer cars can go 7,500 or even 15,000 miles between changes. But older ones, every 5,000 miles, then 3,000 as the miles pile up. Old oil gets dirty, cooling systems weaken, and your engine works harder than it should. The good news? Regular oil changes can extend your engine's life by 75%. You can save cash by doing it yourself. Just follow your car's manual and use the right oil. Synthetic oil costs more but lasts longer and protects turbocharged engines better. Pro tip, check out our video on 17 costly oil change mistakes to avoid rookie errors. Ever changed your own oil? Let me know how it went in the comments. Step 6. Clean the fuel system. No mechanic needed. Older cars build up carbon in the fuel system, causing poor gas mileage, sluggish acceleration, or even engine knocking. Sounds scary, but the fix is simple. A fuel system cleaner. Skip the snake oil and go for trusted brands like Techron Concentrate Plus, Seafoam, or Gum Out. Here's how. When your tank's nearly empty, pour in the cleaner. Fill the tank almost full. Drive gently for 50 to 100 miles to let the cleaner work its magic. You'll notice better acceleration, smoother idling, and even improved fuel economy. It's like giving your engine a spa day. Step 7. Replace worn parts. The secret mechanics don't share. Here's the trick that could save you thousands. Replace old, worn components before they tank your engine. Spark plugs, timing belts, ignition coils, intake hoses, ball joints, even your battery or brakes might need swapping. For example, new spark plugs can boost acceleration by 30% and cost just $20 to replace yourself. Compare that to $100 to $500 at a shop. One last hack, use AT205 engine seal to plug leaks. Just pour it into your oil fill cap, start the engine, and let it work. Follow these 7 steps and your engine will run like it just rolled off the lot without breaking the bank. Wrap up. Don't let your engine down. There you have it. 7 steps to revive your engine and keep it running strong. From scanning for codes to cleaning the fuel system, these are the tricks mechanics don't always tell you about. Which of these steps are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's struggling with their car, and subscribe for more tips to save money and keep your ride in top shape. Want more? Check out our video on 13 car maintenance tips mechanics don't want you to know for even more secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep your engine happy and drive safe.